This is the Artist Morning.
Every Friday morning, we meditate as a community live on Zoom, always free, and everyone is welcome.
Good morning and welcome to the Artist Morning. My name's Darius, and it's so great to be here with you this morning. The theme of today's meditation is feeling safe and feeling loved. These feelings, this experience of safety and feeling loved, they are important to all of us. They are key elements to a happy and fulfilled life, and they are essential to helping artists and creators continually create, consistently create from a place of abundance. I'll guide you the whole way through. You'll get to decide how much you will lean into this experience. Remember, it's your experience. Remember, it's your morning. And, of course, it's your life. Let's begin our meditation by closing our eyes, taking a few deep breaths, and just slowing everything down before the day begins, before all the things we need to do, all the places we need to go. Let's just land in our bodies, land in this new morning together. Taking a few slow, deep breaths. With each breath, accessing just a little bit more calm, a little bit more ease and comfort. Dropping your shoulders towards the ground, softening your forehead, softening your jaw, and imagining a warm, comforting softness just melting away any tension in your shoulders and your back. See if you are able to access a little bit of joy. Just a tiny bit, just to get us started. Even 1% more joy is wonderful. If you're open to it, try on a little baby smile on your face and see if that feels different in your body. See if that little baby smile can lighten the energy. Maybe it can remind you, remind me, remind us that there's nothing serious happening in this moment. There's nothing serious happening in this moment. It's just us here playing. Taking a nice deep breath here. An invitation with your next deep breath to make a noise with your exhale, to sigh. Just to see if you feel safe enough to allow your own voice to be heard. It's very simple, but maybe it makes you feel uncomfortable to hear your own voice. Maybe it feels weird, maybe you become self-conscious. That's okay. And maybe it feels amazing. To hear your own voice in the world. I'm going to say a few affirmation statements. And if you feel comfortable, if you feel open, you can take them into your own being, into your heart, and plant them. And if you feel resistant, that's okay too. Taking a deep breath before we start. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. I am supported. I am stable. I am strong. And I am solid. I am safe here. I am safe in my body. I am safe in my seat. There is safety and support in my heart. I am even safe in my mind, my very active, sometimes very loud mind. There's even safety there. And taking a moment to see how those statements landed. Maybe a part of you was able to receive them and it felt nice. For those parts, we are grateful for allowing the seed of safety to grow deep inside us. Maybe there are parts that felt very resistant, that felt critical. For those parts, we are grateful. For our love for ourself is not conditional. It's not based on a response. Our love for ourselves can be infinite. Our love for ourselves can be timeless. It's up to us, each one of us, to decide if we will be our own greatest ally, if we will show up for ourselves no matter what, if we can be kinder to ourselves, if we are able to love even the parts of ourselves that other people are not willing to clap for. Our safety, it doesn't need to come from an external source. We are able to support ourselves. We are able to access the magic in our hearts that is truly infinite. I am safe here. I am loved. I am art. Just feeling the parts of you that are able to receive that and sending them love. Feeling the parts of you that are resistant to that energy, to that sentiment, and sending them love. I'm going to stay quiet for the rest of this meditation and give you some time with yourself. give yourself a moment to land here again. Wherever you went, whatever you felt or did not feel, however open or resistant you were to this meditation, you made it here. And of course, here is just the start. As always with the Artist Morning, we will do 15 minutes of private personal journaling. For those of you that are joining us live, I'll put 15 minutes on the clock. If you're catching us on a replay, of course, you can do the same. Put 15 minutes on your clock and with curiosity, with openness, just explore what came up. Even if you were fully resistant to every aspect of this meditation, that is juicy journaling material for you. Thank you, dear artist, for meditating with me this morning. My name is Darius, and we will see you next time.